we are going to understand what is difference between trigonometric function and trigonometric equation. In this video, I am also going to talk about the different types of solutions of trigonometric equations. I am going to talk about what is principal solution and what is general solution. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. This you might have studied while in 10th and 11th standards. And there we used to call them as a trigonometric ratios. We used to use the basic formulae to find these trigonometric ratios. But while in higher standards, there are the two things. One is the trigonometric functions and trigonometric equations. You might have also learned this table. We used to learn this table. Our teacher used to ask these values because these values are quite important in all types of basic calculations while finding out the different values for different angles. So sin 0 equals to 0, sin 30 equals to 1 upon 2. We used to learn this well in 10th standard because for 10th standard student it is quite new. Therefore, we used to learn and we used to apply these values while doing problems in trigonometric ratios. But today why I am telling you this? Because there is a relation between trigonometric ratios, trigonometric functions and trigonometric equations. So basically we are going to understand trigonometric function and trigonometric equation. What exactly the difference between them? So sin 0 equals to 0, sin 30 equals to 1 upon 2, sin 45 equals to 1 upon root 2, sin 60 equals to root 3 by 2, sin 90 equals to 1. Similarly, sec 0 equals to 1, sec 30 equals to 2 by root 3 and sec 90 equals to infinity, etc, etc, etc. So what is the difference between trigonometric equation and trigonometric functions? That let us understand now. If you just write sin theta, only sin theta, if you write, then it is a trigonometric function. If you just write only cos theta, it is a trigonometric function. So we have here sin theta equals to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Now three things are involved. One is the theta, another is the length of opposite side, another is the length of hypotenuse. So three things are involved. So trigonometric function gives relationship between sides of a triangle and angles. So the two sides of a triangle and one angle involved, then that ratio is nothing but called as a trigonometric functions, which are called as sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot, sec and cosec. So they are all trigonometric functions. Now here is sin theta equals to root 3 by 2. So there is a equals to is there, something equals to. There is a left side and something is right side. There is something LHS and RHS. So sin theta, as I already told you, is a sin theta is a trigonometric function. But sin theta equals to something. Now it is a trigonometric equation. So sin theta equals to root 3 by 2 is nothing but trigonometric equation. Similarly, if I write tan theta equals to 1, then there is something trigonometric function equals to something. So there is also LHS and there is RHS. And there is some relationship involved between trigonometric function and some numerical value. So that is a trigonometric equation. So this is also trigonometric equation. Cos phi theta equals to cos m theta. It is also trigonometric equation. X equals to a sin omega t plus alpha. It is also trigonometric equation. Sin theta plus cos theta equals to k. This is also trigonometric equation. In this first equation, only one trigonometric function is involved, whereas in this third one, the cos phi theta equals to cos m theta. There are the two trigonometric functions are involved. and in the last one sin theta plus cos theta equals to k. Even in this equation there are the two trigonometric functions are involved. So what is trigonometric equation? Any equation in which one trigonometric function such as tan theta equals to 1. In this equation only one trigonometric function is involved, or more than one trigonometric functions. For example, cos phi theta equals to cos m theta, or sin theta plus cos theta equals to 1. In these trigonometric equations there are the two functions are involved. So any equation in which one trigonometric function or more than one trigonometric function is involved is called as trigonometric equation. Here is x minus 3, x minus 4 equals to 0. There are the two brackets. There are the two algebraic terms and equals to 0. So there is a solution for this equation. It is algebraic equation. The solution is x equals to 3 and x equals to 4. So these are the two solutions for this algebraic equation. So every algebraic equation has some solution. Similarly, sin theta equals to root 3 by 2. It is involving trigonometric function. Therefore, it is a trigonometric equation. So trigonometric equation. This trigonometric equation has some solution. What is that solution? In above equation, in algebraic equation, this x was unknown, and in trigonometric equation, this theta is unknown. To find the theta value, how much, is nothing but called solution of trigonometric equation. If you find theta value, then it is called solution of trigonometric equation. For example, sin theta equals to 1 upon root 2, then theta equals to pi by 4. Theta equals to pi by 4 is called as solution of trigonometric equation. What is the trigonometric equation? Sin theta equals to 1 upon root 2. This is a trigonometric equation, and theta equals to pi by 4 is a solution of that trigonometric equation. There are the two types of the solutions for trigonometric equations. The one type of the solution is called as a principal solution, and second type of the solution called as a general solution. So solution of trigonometric equation classified into two parts. The first part is called principal solution and second one is a general solution. Now what is principal solution? The principal solution, if theta is greater than or equal to 0, less than 2 pi, then that solution in which theta is greater than or equal to 0, less than 2 pi is called as a principal solution. So we can define principal solution as a solution of trigonometric equation is called principal solution if theta is greater than or equal to 0 and less than 2 pi. Then what is general solution? General solution of trigonometric equation is obtained by using periodicity. So a generalized solution by using periodicity is nothing but called as a general solution of trigonometric equation. Now how to find out principal solutions and how to find out general solution of a given trigonometric equation, we will be continuing in next video. So in next video I will be talking how to find principal solution and how to find generalized solution, that is general solution of trigonometric equations. So meet you again in next video to find principal solution and general solutions. Till then, wish you good luck, all the best.